Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Shark Air Purifier stuck on zero. If your Shark Air Purifier is stuck showing zero on the air quality reading, it usually means the sensor isn't detecting particles properly or airflow is being blocked. So start by turning the unit off and plugging it in, then remove the filter and check whether it's dirty or clogged because saturated filter can prevent proper air detection and should be cleaned or replaced depending on its condition. Next, locate the air quality sensor area, typically near a small vent on the back or side of the unit, and gently clean it using a soft brush or compressed air to remove dust buildup that may be causing inaccurate readings. Then plug the air purifier back in and do a restart to see if the display updates. If the reading is still stuck, try holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to perform a soft reset. And also make sure the purifier isn't placed in an already very clean or low dust environment where it might genuinely read zero. Finally, check for airflow restrictions and correct filter installation. And if none of these steps work, the sensor itself may be faulty and require servicing or replacement through Shark support. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.